way to go pick up Mike. We're gonna head out to LA.
We on the way, motherfucker.
Either way.
TNC, IE, manifest. Gotta keep going.
All right, that's that word for this morning.
Make it happen, March. That's the quote for all month. Make it happen, March. We're on the way, my brother. Good morning. Top of the top.
All right, top of the top, top of the top.
Shit.
All right, let's get to it. It's right here. Breakfast of Champions. What we got here?
15 grams of protein.
All right. Breakfast and traffic. Breakfast, traffic. A little bit, a little bit.
She like the way I did it, boss. You keep that with me,
They got them there. Draped out robe. Y'all can see that. This look regal. It's the line already. Marathon burger. It's the other block over. TikToker shit just walked in. Already know, my young Mike out here. Yes, sir. boy Mike, see? Hey, he posted, man.
I knew she was recording, but you know, sometimes
Mike been spotted. Mike been spotted.
Right around together. Before we used to be destructive and drink alcohol for no reason. We are creating and executing. We are manifesting. Execute. Manifest, i.e. honored to get my view. Manifest, x.i.e. marathon burger. Okay.
You feel me? In the summer, I pick it up a little bit.
But no, I need all that, bro. Study yourself.
All right.
Nigga, just
Bags. We got bags. We got bags.
I like
vlogging too, so man.
Peace, whoa. Y'all
Yeah,
check
yeah.
out the brand. If we're able to control the mind, it will take us to a level of peace. That's my definition for whoa. I appreciate y'all.
All right. All right, Jay.
Man, thank y'all.
Appreciate it. Hopefully get a chance to try it out real quick. Mike, we do get a chance. Mike definitely finna do a food review on it. So, but yeah, it's all love out here. It's all love. It's all love. Yo. Ooh. You see that? This was in your cards already. This was in your cards.
TMC, TMC-IE, no.
Okay. You definitely. Oh. Okay.
I can't say nothing.
Yep, matching shirts, yeah.
That's where I win. I'm on now.
What a day, Mike. What a day.
All money in, no money out. TMC, Manifest, IE. Video dropping soon.
All right.
I just had my nigga Hoggy right on my $100 sweater. Man.
All right. At this point,
I wouldn't have no regular smuggler right on my jacket. It's under the shirt. But yeah, mission accomplished. TMC, the marathon continues.
it's the line still. The marathon continues. Other than that, though, great event. Mike, you can definitely attest, because out here networking.
I'm about to hop back out the car. Eating with my brothers. Manager of IE. I don't care what he say. Possible. It's all the manifest, no cap.